Hi everyone, welcome to Daily English Flow.
Hello. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Lewis.
And I'm Anna.
Today we're going to talk about something very useful.
Yes, we're talking about weather and seasons.
Weather is a great topic for small talk.
That's right. People talk about weather every day.
When you meet someone, you can say, "How's the weather?"
Or you can say, it's a beautiful day, right?
Exactly. Weather talk is easy and friendly.
Today we'll learn many weather words,
We'll also talk about our favorite seasons.
and we'll practice making weather predictions.
You'll learn to say what the weather is going to be.
We'll use comparatives too, like hotter or colder.
Are you ready?
Let's start with some vocabulary.
We have 18 weather words for you today.
Listen carefully. We'll use these words in our conversation.
First word is sunny.
Sunny means the sun is shining brightly.
Next is cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
The third word is rainy.
Rainy means it's raining or it rains a lot.
Number 4 is windy.
Windy means there's a lot of wind.
Fifth is snowy.
Snowy means it's snowing or there's snow.
The next word is foggy.
Foggy means you can't see clearly because of fog.
Word 7 is stormy.
Stormy means there's a storm with strong wind and rain.
The eighth word is hot.
Hot means the temperature is very high.
Number 9 is cold.
Cold means the temperature is very low.
The 10th word is warm.
Warm means the temperature is comfortable and pleasant.
Next is cool.
Cool means a little bit cold but nice.
Word 12 is humid.
Humid means there's a lot of moisture in the air.
Number 13 is dry.
Dry means there's no rain and no moisture.
The 14th word is freezing.
Freezing means extremely cold.
Word 15 is temperature.
Temperature tells us how hot or cold it is.
Next is forecast.
Forecast means a prediction about future weather.
The 17th word is umbrella.
Umbrella is what you use when it rains.
And our last word is season.
Season means spring, summer, fall, or winter.
Great! Now let's use these words in real conversation.
So, Lewis, how's the weather today?
Oh, it's really nice today. It's sunny and warm.
I know. I love this weather.
Yeah, me too. It's perfect for a walk.
Did you check the forecast for tomorrow?
Yes, I did. It's going to be cloudy.
Is it going to rain?
The forecast says maybe in the afternoon.
Oh, I should bring my umbrella then.
Yes, that's a good idea.
I always forget my umbrella at home.
Me too. And then it rains, and I get wet.
That happened to me last week.
Really? What happened?
Well, I left home and the weather was sunny.
Uh-huh.
But at lunchtime, it started raining heavily.
Oh no! And you didn't have an umbrella?
Nope. I got completely wet.
That's terrible.
I had to sit in wet clothes all afternoon.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It was. Now I always check the forecast.
That's smart. I should do that too.
What's your favorite type of weather?
Oh, I love sunny and warm days.
Not too hot?
No, I don't like it when it's too hot.
Yeah, I agree. Hot and humid weather is the worst.
For me, the perfect temperature is about 25 degrees.
That's nice and warm.
What about you? What weather do you like?
I like cool and sunny weather.
Oh, so not too warm?
Right. I prefer it when it's a bit cool.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really. I don't like freezing weather.
Me neither. I hate being cold.
But I do like snow sometimes.
Really? You like snow?
Yeah, snowy days are beautiful.
That's true. Everything looks so pretty with snow.
Exactly. It's like a white blanket everywhere.
But it's also very cold when it snows.
I know. That's the problem.
And you have to wear so many clothes.
Yes. Coat, scarf, gloves, hat.
It takes forever to get dressed.
And then you have to take it all off inside.
So true.
What about rainy weather? Do you like rain?
It depends.
What do you mean?
Well, I like gentle rain. It's relaxing.
Oh, yes. I love the sound of rain.
But I don't like heavy storms.
Yeah, storms can be scary.
The thunder and lightning, it's too much.
I agree. And stormy weather is dangerous too.
That's right. You should stay inside during storms.
What's the weather like where you grew up?
Oh, it was very different from here.
How different?
It was much hotter and more humid.
Really? All year?
Yeah, pretty much. We only had 2 seasons.
Only two. Which ones?
Rainy season and dry season.
Wow. No winter or spring?
Nope, it was always warm or hot.
That's interesting. I can't imagine that.
What about your hometown?
We had all 4 seasons.
Oh, like here?
Yes, but the winters were much colder.
Colder than here?
Way colder. It was freezing every winter.
Did it snow a lot?
Oh, yes. We had snow from November to March.
That's a long time.
I know. The winters felt very long.
But you said you like snow?
Well, I like it for a few days.
Not for 5 months?
Definitely not. It gets boring after a while.
I understand. Too much of anything is not good.
Exactly.
Let's talk about the 4 seasons.
Good idea. Which season do you like best?
I think I like spring the most.
Why spring?
Because the weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
That's true. Spring weather is very pleasant.
And everything is blooming. The flowers are beautiful.
Yes, spring is so colorful.
What's your favorite season?
I love fall.
Oh, really? Why fall?
The weather is cool and comfortable,
Uh-huh.
and the leaves change color. It's gorgeous.
Fall is beautiful. The red and orange leaves are amazing.
Plus, it's not too hot and not too cold.
That's the same reason I like spring.
Yeah, we both like moderate temperatures.
What about summer? Do you like summer?
Summer is okay.
Just okay?
Well, I like that the days are longer,
That's true. We have more daylight in summer.
but it's often too hot for me.
Yeah, some summer days are really hot.
And when it's hot and humid, ugh, I can't stand it.
Me too. Humid weather makes everything sticky.
You sweat all the time.
And the air conditioning doesn't help much.
Do you remember that heat wave last summer?
Oh yes, that was terrible.
It was over 35 degrees for a whole week.
I stayed inside the whole time.
Me too. I only went out when necessary.
What about winter? What do you think of winter?
Winter is okay, I guess.
You don't sound very excited.
Well, I don't love winter.
Why not?
It gets dark so early. That makes me tired.
Oh, I know what you mean.
At 5 o'clock, it's already dark.
Yeah, the short days are depressing.
And it's cold all the time.
Winter is definitely the coldest season.
But some winter days are nice.
Really? Which days?
When it's sunny, but cold and crisp.
Oh yes, those days are beautiful.
The sky is so blue and clear.
And if there's fresh snow, it's perfect.
Exactly. Those are my favorite winter days.
Okay, everyone, let's do a quick recap.
We've talked about different types of weather.
We learned that sunny means the sun is shining.
Rainy means it's raining.
Cloudy means there are clouds in the sky.
And snowy means there's snow.
We also talked about temperature.
Hot means very warm.
Cold means the temperature is low.
And freezing means extremely cold.
We use going to make predictions.
For example, it's going to rain tomorrow.
Or it's going to be sunny this weekend.
We also use comparatives to compare weather.
Like hotter, colder, warmer, cooler.
Today is hotter than yesterday.
Winter is colder than fall.
Great! Now let's continue our conversation.
So Anna, what does the forecast say for this weekend?
Let me see. Saturday is going to be nice.
What's the temperature going to be?
It's going to be about 22 degrees.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, and it's going to be sunny all day.
What about Sunday?
Sunday looks different.
Oh no, is it going to rain?
The forecast says cloudy with possible rain.
That's too bad.
I know. I wanted to go to the park on Sunday.
Maybe you can go on Saturday instead?
That's a good idea.
Saturday is going to be sunnier than Sunday anyway.
You're right. I'll go on Saturday.
Are you going to do anything outside?
I'm going to have a picnic with friends.
That sounds fun.
What about you? Any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my cousin.
Oh, nice. Where does your cousin live?
About 2 hours from here.
Is the weather going to be different there?
Probably. It's usually cooler there.
Why is that?
Because it's in the mountains.
Oh, I see. Mountain areas are always cooler.
Yeah, the temperature is usually 5 degrees lower.
Is it going to be cold?
Not cold, just cool, maybe 17 or 18 degrees.
That's actually quite nice.
I think so too. I'll bring a light jacket.
Good idea. It might get cooler in the evening.
Yes, evenings in the mountains are always cool.
Is it going to rain there?
I don't think so. The forecast looks clear.
That's lucky.
Yeah, we're going to go hiking.
Hiking? That sounds great.
I love hiking when the weather is nice.
Me too. Is the view beautiful there?
Oh yes, you can see the whole valley.
Wow, I'd love to see that.
You should come with us sometime.
Maybe I will.
You know, weather really affects our plans.
That's so true.
When it's sunny, I want to go outside.
Same here. Good weather makes me energetic.
But when it's rainy, I just want to stay home.
Me too. Rainy days are perfect for staying in.
I like to read or watch movies on rainy days.
That's the best, with a cup of tea or coffee.
Exactly. It's so cozy.
Does weather affect your mood?
Oh, definitely.
How?
I feel happier when it's sunny.
Yeah, sunshine makes everyone feel better.
But on dark, cloudy days, I feel a bit down.
I'm the same way.
I think many people are like that.
Probably. Humans need sunlight.
That's right. It's natural.
That's why winter can be hard for some people.
Because there's less sunlight?
Exactly. The days are short and often cloudy.
That must be difficult.
It is. Some people get really sad in winter.
What do they do about it?
Some people use special lights.
Special lights?
Yeah, lights that are like sunlight.
Oh, that's clever.
It helps them feel better.
That makes sense.
Okay, everyone, now it's time to practice.
We're going to do some listen and repeat.
Listen to what we say, then repeat it out loud.
Ready? First one. It's going to rain tomorrow.
Now you say it. It's going to rain tomorrow.
Great. Next one. Summer is hotter than spring.
Your turn. Summer is hotter than spring.
Excellent. One more. What's the weather like today?
Repeat, please. What's the weather like today?
Perfect. You're doing great.
Let's try 3 more phrases.
This one is about temperature. It's 20 degrees today.
Say it with us. It's 20 degrees today.
Nice work. Here's another. I need to bring my umbrella.
Repeat it. I need to bring my umbrella.
Wonderful. Last one. My favorite season is fall.
Your turn. My favorite season is fall.
Excellent job, everyone.
Now let's practice some more.
These are a bit longer, but you can do it.
First phrase. The forecast says it's going to be sunny.
Repeat after us. The forecast says it's going to be sunny.
Very good.
Next one. Today is colder than yesterday.
Say it clearly. Today is colder than yesterday.
Great pronunciation.
Last one for practice. I don't like humid weather.
Repeat it. I don't like humid weather.
Fantastic. You all did wonderful.
Now we have a fun quiz for you.
We'll ask 5 questions about our conversation today.
Let's see how much you remember.
Don't worry, these questions are easy.
Okay, first question. What is Luwis's favorite season?
Think about it. What did Luwis say?
Take your time.
The answer is spring. Luwis likes spring the most.
That's right. I said spring has perfect weather.
Ready for question 2?
Here it is. What is Anna's favorite season?
What did I say earlier?
Think back to our conversation.
The answer is fall. I love fall.
Yes, Anna said fall has beautiful colored leaves.
Okay, question 3 coming up.
What is the weather going to be like on Saturday?
Remember when we talked about the weekend forecast?
What did Anna say about Saturday?
The answer is sunny. Saturday is going to be sunny.
Correct. It's going to be 22 degrees and sunny.
Great. Question 4 now.
Where is Luwis going this weekend?
Think about what Luwis said.
I said I'm going to visit someone.
The answer is Luwis is going to visit his cousin.
That's right. My cousin in the mountains.
Last question. Question 5.
What happened to Anna last week?
This is about the rainy day story.
What happened when Anna forgot something?
The answer is I got wet in the rain.
Yes, Anna forgot her umbrella and got soaked.
It was not fun.
I'm sure it wasn't.
But now I always check the forecast.
That's a good lesson for everyone.
Always check the weather before you leave home,
And always keep an umbrella nearby.
especially if the forecast says rain.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the end.
Today we learned so much about weather.
We learned 18 weather vocabulary words.
Words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, and snowy.
We also learned hot, cold, warm, and cool.
And don't forget humid and dry.
We practiced making predictions with going to.
For example, it's going to rain tomorrow.
Or it's going to be sunny on Saturday.
We also used comparatives.
Like hotter, colder, warmer, and cooler.
Today is warmer than yesterday.
Summer is hotter than spring.
We talked about our favorite seasons too.
And how weather affects our mood and plans.
This is such useful English for everyday life.
You can use this vocabulary every single day.
Talk about weather with your friends.
Or with people you meet.
Weather is the perfect topic for small talk.
Everyone talks about weather.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Flow.
Keep practicing these weather words and phrases
And don't forget to check the forecast.
so you don't get wet like me.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.